Hello students, again we are considering our first quadrant, principal planes VP and HP. Let us consider a rectangular plane which is vertical and resting in the VP. Now this is the vertical plane. Name it as so here is the observer. For front view, and here is the observer for top view. Now as we can see, while observing from the front, we can see its true shape. So front view will give us its true shape. So let's start with the true shape. This is the XY line. As we can see, smaller side is parallel to HP and nearer to XY line. So therefore we will start with a smaller side, then longer side is perpendicular to HP, so as we can see here in the right hand side, the corner is C, name it as C. Here the corner is D, name it as D. Above D, A, and above C, B. So this is the true shape of the plane in the front view. Now when we will project these two edges while observing from the top, these two corners and these two corners while observing from the top, here we can observe a line view. This is projection of A and D, therefore A comma D, B comma C. So the projections are exactly on XY line. Since plane is in the VP, its line view is on XY line. So here on the XY line, we will project these two corners and these two corners. Let's make it dark. So this is the projection of corner A and D. Therefore, A dash comma D dash. This is projection of C dash comma B dash. This is the line view and this is the top view. Now this is the initial position in which we have considered plane parallel to VP resting in the VP. Now we will consider inclination of plane with the VP. Now to incline the surface, this surface of the plane, we need to tilt it on the edge BC, and we need to rest on the edge AD. So we are resting on the edge AD and we are tilting on the edge B. We are tilting the edge BC. So it will become inclined to VP and perpendicular to HP. So we are drawing a plane inclined to VP and perpendicular to HP, called as auxiliary vertical plane. Now suppose consider the inclination is 30 degree. The inclination is 30 degrees. So here we will take this point AD. We will name it as A1, D1. Then place angle of 30 degree. On this 30 degree, draw a line which is a faint line. Then take this distance in a compass and shift this distance. So inclination is there, but the distance will not change. Distance doesn't change of the edge AB. In the top view. Now this point is C1, B1. Inclination with VP is denoted by phi. We have taken it as 30 degree. Now take projections of A and D upward, C and B upward. From here take projections. From here we have taken projections. We will make it dark. So this point is B1 dash, this point is A1 dash, this point is B1 dash, and this point is C1 dash. Now as we can see, the edge AD is having its original length in the final view, but edge DC is of reduced length. So this is the reduced shape we are getting. So this is the final front view, final top view. Now let's draw the side view. Now to draw the side view, we have to consider XY line vertical, take angle of 45 degree, take projection of C and B. From here take projection upward From here take projection in the side view. Side view will also show us a rectangle. Of reduced shape. Now this is point D1. So this is D1 double dash. This is point A1 double dash, B1 double dash and C1 double dash. This is the side view which we have drawn. Now as we can see, this distance is this distance which is above HP. So this distance is above HP. Similarly, this distance is, when we will tilt this edge BC, so this distance is in front of VP.